crystal ball gazing for 2 weeks, and you'll be spending the rest of the day cleaning out the cauldrons. Not the cauldrons, Wendell. Yes, Mother. We better get back to the station. See you later, Dillis. Mama?